My name is Lorna Dow and I am one of the wardens for the North East Coastal Reserves and we are at Fowlsheugh today. Getting prepped for the seabird season ahead and the visitors, so doing a bit of work on boardwalk and bridge, getting some wire down. It's generally a bit quieter bird-wise, although today, it being a nice calm day, we do have a few birds in, which is quite nice. It's mostly razorbills, and they're back just having a bit of a look on the cliff. Pre-breeding season, they have a tendency kind of after kind of New Year time, if there's a nice calm day, they'll start to come in and look back at nest sites. Some of the pairs might start doing a bit of pair bonding. So yeah, it's nice to be here on a day that there's actually some birds in the winter. We've got over 40,000 seabirds here, and it's just, yeah, it's a very special place. There's so much life and kind of busyness about what they're getting on with during the breeding season, and I don't know whether it's just because there's such a lot of birds within one space that they just kind of like the energy that comes off of them. There's something about the seabirds that brings the place alive, and yeah, it's just very magical. It kind of got to mid-June and suddenly we started seeing some ill-looking kittiwakes and some dead ones, and then the researchers that were based here last year, when the guillemot jumplings were ready to go, there was a lot unfortunately died at that point. So we don't think we were as badly hit as some places because the species that are here haven't been as majorly impacted as maybe some species like gannets or skuas in places, but there definitely has been some effect. There's a pair of fulmars there. There's a little bit of me trying to be optimistic, because I do try to be generally, but there is also that kind of apprehensiveness and kind of worry about what the impact might be with these birds, because it's just such a big unknown. What's Fowlsheugh going to look like for the generations beyond? I'm always kind of in two minds about it, because there's the joy that I get from visiting, but I'm also conscious of the fact that, you know, there is a kind of precariousness about this colony, other seabird colonies, other species, you know, other bird species and other wildlife species that we are having an impact on at the moment. And yeah, there's always that little nagging voice in the back of my head kind of going, what's going to happen, and you know, what is the future going to be?
But you've still got hope.
Yes, definitely. Definitely. I think you couldn't come here and not have hope. There's so much life about the place, and I think it'd be difficult not to be hopeful about what the future can bring, especially if people do choose to make changes in what they do, and what difference we can make as humans.